I'm back. So today we're going to do a review on the fiberglass and silk wrap. So I'm doing it on my natural nail, guys. I already buffed it, I already primed it, I already pushed my cuticles back. I cut this little piece because you guys know I don't have a lot of space, and a lot of times long videos get on my nerves, so I try not to give you guys a real long video. So I already cut the little square piece that I want to use, and I already got it mapped out. So now you're supposed to, and this is my first time trying this, guys, so I don't know how it's gonna work. You're supposed to take the fiberglass glue and put it on. Okay, and then I'm supposed to take this and put this on. Put this piece on. And guys, no, these is not the tweezers that I do my nails with. These are another pair of new ones that I'm going to use specifically for the fiberglass nails. If I can get it to go on there and stick. So, like I said, it's my first time using it. Never used this before. So I'm trying to hold it to make it stick. So I guess I take some of this and put it on there to kind of make it stick. And okay, it's sliding. I don't think that that's right. I did see people use some form of activator. So I don't know if I'm missing something. They did have some activator. And then some people did it a different way, where they actually put glue on it. So let me stop it and come back. Alright, so what I just discovered is, I don't know if this is going to work for me, because you actually do need the activator in order to do these fiberglass nails. And I didn't know that when I purchased it. So I'm trying to get it to stick. So for this particular one, you need an activator. And I didn't purchase an activator, so I'm just trying to hold it on here. And then I'm going to try to put it in my curing light to get it to in here, but it keep coming up on this side. So that's what I'm trying to do. I can't even get it to attach to the nail because I don't have, it's another activator that you need that I didn't purchase. I didn't know that I needed that. I was thinking that, you know, it was a kit, so all I needed was the fiberglass glue and the silk wrap. So I got it under this light, guys. I'm going to see if that makes it stick. If not, I'll have to wait till I get the activator. Alrighty. I finally got it to stick. So now I'm going to take a layer of this glue and put it over the top. But I definitely do believe that you got to have that activator, or it is not going to work. And when I put it under this heat light, I don't know if I'm supposed to cure it. I just got a habit of curing everything. It actually did get a little heated up. It did get a little hot. So maybe that's something I wasn't supposed to do. So, yeah. So now I'm just building up the product, putting it on here. And I'm going to put it back under the curing light again. And I'm going to come back with you guys and let you guys see. And this nail is not going to be this long. I just started it off like that. Actually, let me cut a little bit of this off, because it's a waste. So, ooh. So now I'm going to try to curve these sides in. Hold it a couple seconds, and then I'm going to put it back under the curing light, guys, and come back. But I am missing the activator. You do need that activator for these nails. Okay, I'm going to put it back under here, guys, and try to make it a little harder, and I'll come back. All right, so this is what it's looking like. And I think that this would be great for your natural nails, but just make sure that if you go and get the kit off of Amazon, guys, make sure that if you need an activator to order that too, because I just assumed that I didn't need the activator because of, you know, I thought everything was in there. So it did turn like extremely hard. But what I watched the lady do, and I'm going to try to do this, to add more structure, because like you say, if you touch anything, it can pop, and I'm trying to save my natural nail. She took an additional piece of the fiberglass, guys, and put it on there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take an additional piece and put it on there. But what I'm going to use is the glue, because I noticed that it's harder to get this fiberglass activator to work due to the fact that I don't have what is it called? The stuff that goes with it. It's another spray that dries that glue, and I don't have it. So I'm using the nail glue. I watched a lady that used this, and she used nail glue to adhere the silk wrap to her nail. So now just getting it on here, guys, and getting it to stay and getting it in the right spot. So I'm not going to hold you guys here while I do that, because this one takes a little long time to get it in the right spot. So once I get it settled, I'll come back. I finally got it on there. So now I'm putting a layer of glue on here, and then I'm gonna cure this. And guys, I will say, if you guys wind up buying this, I think they do have it at Sally's, but I think we all know that when we go online and buy stuff, we get stuff at wholesale, not retail. We go on Sally's, we might pay up to $27 to $28 for this silk wrap kit, when we can go online and get it for $10, $12. So that's one of the reasons why a lot of times people like to go online and get things versus getting it you know, out of the salons. So make sure you do get the activator kit. And guys, look to make sure the seller, it's harder with Amazon to see. eBay normally you just drop down and show you where it's shipped from. Try to find a seller that's in the US, so when you get it and you can watch, and if you're going to be at home, you can get it, because it did ruin the glue for the glue to be in the cold. And I see those clumps is coming back in the glue. Even though when I put it in the hot water, it did, you know, bring it back. So keep that in mind, guys. So I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll come back and just buff it. Okay, guys, so I'm back. So, guys, it really did give me the length. It protected my nail. And now I'm just doing very light filing. Actually, I don't even supposed to use that file. They use a buffer. So this would be great for those women with long natural nails, and you want to save your nails, guys, and you don't want to wind up breaking a nail, and you want to add, you know, you want to build your nail up to make it more stronger. And I was trying not to say that word because I know I didn't say it right, but hey. But to make your nails more harder, that's the word I use. You definitely, this silk wrap is definitely what it do for natural long nails. And you put it on there, and when you guys got to get the activator if you do the silk wrap, because that fiberglass glue, the bonding glue, is not going to dry. The only thing that made it dry is I put it in a curing light, and I also put a glue on top of it too, because it wasn't sticking. It was just sliding all around. So now I'm just buffing it, guys, and it definitely saved my natural nail. And it is really, really hard. It's really, really nice and hard. So I would definitely give this a thumbs up. Just get all the right products that you need, guys, and it would be amazing. And don't get the glue up on your cuticles. They say go so many inches back from your cuticles. So my hands are all crusty. I need some oil. But I need to get some oil. You guys see? They all crusty. I'm going to stop it and get some oil. So there it is. It's all complete. So if there's anybody that have long natural nails and they hate all the filing, all you really need is a buffer and this file, guys. You don't have to do all the extraneous filing with, you know, with the other files and stuff. You don't have to do all that. Just a little buff here and there and shaping of the nail. And yes, it is amazing, guys. So I would say this product is very great, but when you order it, just keep in mind, I don't know where where you guys are located at, but see it? My phone don't do justice. Trying to, guys, see it? Really nice. So I don't know where you guys are ordering from, but just keep in mind, like if you're in more of the colder states, Chicago, Minnesota, places like that where our winters get really cold, the product can freeze before it get to you. So keep that in mind, and you want to get it out of the mailbox as soon as possible. But it definitely, it feels very hard to the touch. And I think when all my nails, because all my nails then grew out this size, I will, instead of putting acrylic on it, I will overlay it with the silk wrap. But guys, what you need with this, if you see this kit on Amazon or whatever, the silk fiberglass, we need an activator because the glue don't stick without the activator. So only thing that made it stick for me, I had to use the crazy glue. And I was wondering when I was putting it under the curing light, something had that, how you've been in a nail shop and you hold it too close to the light, you get that burning feeling. I was wondering what is causing a burn. Super glue. You ever nail glue? You ever get the nail glue on your leg and it burns like hell? So yes, the glue, right when you put it right under the UV light, it causes that little burning sensation, guys. So yes, overall, I would say I like the product a lot, and it'd be definitely great for natural nails, and you can build nails, especially for somebody that can't do acrylic. It's not good with doing acrylic nails. This will be better than the cornstarch nails, and it's not that messy, but get everything you need. And that light, my ring light, is taking it away. I was trying to, let's see, give you guys a better view. Move that way, ring light. Well, I'll move this way. Can you guys see? Seems like the ring light gives it a shadow or it's glowing or something. But as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Oh, let me show you guys my boots. I'm waiting on the chains to come. And when the chains wind up coming, guys, not chains, when I wind up going to the fabric store and getting it. Sorry about the way I'm dressed. This is much my crazy around the house clothes, but and then they're so warm. And if anybody love Uggs, they know that Uggs are very warm inside. You can put them on, no socks, and they are amazing, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. So the fiberglass nails, guys, I would definitely give this, if you get the right kind, I would give this product a 10. I think that this is a very amazing product, especially for those that can't do acrylic nails and not good with all the filing. It doesn't take all that. Not like the cornstarch. You got to do all that buffing and filing, and it's not so messy. So thank you guys, and you guys have an awesome Tuesday. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. This is the silk wrap kit that I brought, guys. You definitely need an activator. And guys, find a seller that is in the United States. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. And you can find this product at Sally.